As the sun begins to set, casting a golden hue over the vineyards, the landscape transforms into a painter's palette, rich with color and depth. We wander through the vineyards of Castello di Brolio, where the air is filled with the earthy scent of ripe grapes nearing harvest. The gentle breeze carries whispers of centuries past, inviting us to relish each moment spent in this captivating realm. As we savor the robust flavors of the estate's finest wines, we engage with passionate staff who passionately share the history of their craft. Their devotion shines through as they recount tales of the Ricasoli family, who have nurtured these vines for generations, intertwining their legacy with the rich tapestry of Tuscany's heritage. With each sip, we are transported deeper into the essence of this land, feeling an intimate connection to its traditions and bounty. As we leave Castello di Brolio, the sun dips lower on the horizon, brushing the sky with hues of orange and pink. Our next destination takes us to the tranquil yet lesser-known Tenuta di Trinoro in the Val d'Orzia, a hidden gem that beckons the curious traveler. Nestled amid the soft, undulating hills, this vineyard emanates an air of serenity, promising an escape from the hustle and bustle of tourist hotspots. Upon arrival, the breathtaking views are enhanced by the sweet fragrance of the surrounding fields, creating an unforgettable atmosphere that envelops us like a warm embrace. As we step onto the grounds of Tenuta di Trinoro, the rustic charm of the estate captivates us immediately. The expertly designed vineyards hug the curves of the rolling hills with rows of grapevines that seem to dance in the gentle wind. We are greeted by the knowledgeable winemaker who introduces us to the philosophy rooted in sustainable practices, emphasizing their commitment to preserving the land while crafting exquisite wines. The sun-kissed grapes glisten as they hang heavily on the vines, a testament to nature's bounty and the meticulous care poured into every inch of this vineyard. With each glass poured, we indulge in the unique flavors that embody the essence of Tuscany, making our experience truly unforgettable. As we sip the rich, velvety wine, the winemaker shares tales of the land's history, interwoven with passion and commitment. Each vintage speaks of the seasons, reflecting the brilliance of nature alongside the artistry of winemaking. We learn about the dedication to organic methods, ensuring the vineyard thrives harmoniously with its surroundings, which deepens our appreciation for the beauty delivered in every bottle. Beyond the vineyard's borders, the undulating hills stretch out, painting a breathtaking backdrop that captivates our hearts. The serene ambiance invites us to take a moment, feeling the gentle whispers of the wind as it dances through the leaves. We realize that this experience transcends just taste. It is a celebration of a tradition rooted in love for the land and its people. Each sip of wine becomes not just a flavor, but a story of connection and heritage, a reminder of the timeless beauty that defines Tuscany. As twilight falls, we find ourselves reluctant to leave this enchanting place, forever etched in our memories. As we bid farewell to Tenuta di Trinoro, we venture towards the coastal beauty of the oasis of Bolgheri, where nature's untouched canvas awaits. The road meanders alongside picturesque vineyards, leading us to a sanctuary that feels worlds away from the bustling cities. Upon arrival, we step into a realm rich with biodiversity, where the fragrance of wild herbs and sea air intermingle in a captivating embrace. Our path takes us through tranquil trails, surrounded by lush greenery, with the distant sound of waves creating a soothing backdrop to our exploration. As we wander deeper into this pristine reserve, we marvel at the intricate dance of nature, unveiling the peaceful wildlife that calls this oasis home. Each step resonates with the harmony of the ecosystem, allowing us to connect intimately with Tuscany's unspoiled allure. Here, in this hidden paradise, we gain a profound appreciation for the natural wonders that coexist alongside the region's storied history. As we venture further into the oasis of Bolgheri, the landscape shifts to reveal tranquil marshes and vibrant wetlands, creating a striking contrast to the typical rolling hills of Tuscany. The serene sound of water gently lapping against the shore beckons us to pause, inviting moments of reflection and connection with the natural world surrounding us. Here, flocks of migratory birds dot the sky, their graceful movements adding to the enchantment of this sanctuary. Each sight and sound stirs a sense of wonder, reminding us of the breathtaking beauty that often lies hidden beneath the surface. As we turn our gaze towards the hills, the essence of the Val d'Orcia unfolds before us like a painting, with its undulating landscapes and cypress-lined roads inviting exploration. Here, we experience the tranquility of Tuscany's soul, wandering through local farms where artisanal cheese and fresh produce are lovingly crafted. Each encounter with the warm-hearted locals reveals stories of tradition passed down through generations, enriching our understanding of this captivating land. In the stillness, we realize that these moments filled with laughter and sharing are as significant as the landscapes themselves, as they weave connections that linger in our hearts long after we depart. As we take one last look at the mesmerizing vistas of Val d'Orcia, we travel onwards to the charming village of Pienza, known for its Renaissance beauty and delectable pecorino cheese. Walking through its quaint cobblestone streets, we are greeted by the warm smiles of local artisans who showcase their flavorful creations. The aroma of freshly made cheese lingers in the air, inviting us to indulge in local delicacies that epitomize the essence of the region. Each bite, a delicate dance of tradition and taste. We pause at a small cheese shop where a knowledgeable shopkeeper discusses the aging process and the nuances that make Pienza's cheese unique. As we savor a slice of rich, creamy pecorino, we are reminded that every corner of Tuscany tells a story, each flavor woven into the cultural tapestry of this remarkable land. In Pienza, the sunlight bathes the cobblestones in a warm embrace, and a gentle breeze carries the laughter of children playing nearby. We wander into a shop nestled between artisan boutiques, where local craftspeople proudly display their wares. The vibrant colors of handmade pottery and textiles reflect the creativity and passion of the community. As we chat with the artisans, their stories of inspiration and craftsmanship further enrich our understanding of Tuscany's cultural heritage. Each piece tells a tale that transcends time, inviting us to take home a slice of this magical place, forever connected to its spirit. As we continue to soak in the charm of Pienza, the streets lead us to a breathtaking viewpoint overlooking the rolling hills that characterize the landscape of Tuscany. The patchwork of colors, from lush greens to warm earth tones, whispers tales of the fertile grounds that support the local agriculture. We pause to capture the scene, the golden light of the late afternoon illuminating the terracotta rooftops and the gentle curves of the hills beyond. This serene panorama stirs a sense of belonging, as if we are part of a living canvas crafted by nature and nurtured by generations of dedicated hands. Each soft rustle of leaves carries with it the essence of Tuscany, a reminder that true beauty lies not only in the landscape, but in the stories shared among its people. This intimate moment solidifies our connection to this enchanting region, deepening our love for its hidden gems and timeless wonders. With every heartbeat, we promise to carry these memories with us, cherishing the magic found in both the grand and the subtle, the well-known and the overlooked. As we leave Pienza, our hearts are full, yet our journey through Tuscany is far from over. We set our sights on one last treasure, a hidden farmhouse nestled amongst the hills, where the essence of traditional Tuscan life flourishes. Enveloped by vibrant fields of sunflowers, the quaint structure exudes warmth and hospitality, resonating with the echoes of past generations who have tended to the land. Here, we are invited to a rustic dinner featuring homemade pasta drizzled with local olive oil, a true celebration of farm-to-table goodness that binds together flavors and stories rich in history. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a soft glow around the table, we find ourselves surrounded by newfound friends, sharing laughter and tales of their lives in this enchanting region. In this idyllic setting, the aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, mingling with the laughter and clatter of dishes being served. We gather around the rustic wooden table, our hearts warming as we break bread together, savoring each bite of the delicious homemade pasta. As we relish the meal, the host shares stories of the land's history, painting vivid pictures of life in the countryside. Each tale weaves a deeper connection to Tuscany, reminding us that within every meal lies a narrative steeped in tradition, love, and resilience, one that resonates long after the last bite is taken. As our journey through Tuscany concludes, we carry with us the warmth and wisdom of its hidden wonders. Each encounter, from the serene vineyards to the quaint villages, has deepened our appreciation for this enchanting region. Tuscany's spirit, alive in its landscapes and people, eternally whispers its timeless stories to our hearts.